All right. We are now going to do Module 7, Assignment 2. You can download the Create Sections. This corresponds to Chapter 3 files. Okay. So first thing, we're going to look at the presentation in normal view. Okay. Create Sections. All right. So we will first take a peek at it in normal view. Okay. And normal view is the default. So, you really already got it there. Okay, the next thing is we're going to divide the presentation into 2 sections, a section that contains slide 3 and 4 and one that contains slide 4 to 12. This is quick. We come down, we select, make sure we see that line in between 3 and 4, and then we're going to add a section. Okay, now we've divided these into 2 sections. We're going to call, what does it say to call this section? Change the name of the first section to Introduction. Okay. All right, we're going to go up here. We're going to you'll right click. You should also be able to click on the drop down at section and do rename section. So this is our introduction. It then wants us to switch views to the slide sorter view and then change the name. So we'll come over here to our deck. As you can see, there's 2 blocks now, so they're kind of on their own. I'll come over here and click on the section, right click, remove section, or come up to the section tab and click on that, process. And then we're going to collapse both sections. Okay, so I'll rename. By collapsing, they just mean come over here and click on this little triangle. Okay, collapse them both. All right. And then expand only the process section. Okay. And save and submit. So when I open the file, it should look like this. You should have 3 slides up here that are small, and then this, and it should be in the slide sorter view. Okay, go ahead and save and submit. That is all for that assignment.